Today's lesson, how to draw 4 different cartoon faces. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to today's lesson. We're going to be going over 4 different cartoon shape faces. Out of these shapes, you can create different characters, not just humans. You can create aliens, robots, animals, whatever. It's just to give you a fundamental shape, so not always stick with the basic shape of a circle. So as you can see here, I just made a simple, like a big square head basically, and now I just indicate the crosshair to put the eyes in, and then I have where the nose goes and the mouth and the ears to follow. That crosshair is a nice little feature to basically give you that guidance. And there's a lip and a bottom lip right there. Let's get the ears on the other side. This could be easily like a robot or a square character that you're working on. Take me to your leader. And just let's get some of the little eyebrows there. And one more. There you go. I didn't put any hair on any of these characters. It's just to give you the fundamental shape that you can add your face and your character to it. All right, so let's start with the next one. What do you think we're going to be working on? What shape can you think of? Okay, here's a circle. Okay, standard shape a lot of times we create. Let's create another circle below. What could this be? Almost like a peanut head. So this character here is more of a shape of a peanut head, I would definitely say. Another little fun one. And I'm just having the basic shoulders on the bottom there. Again, this is just to be creative, and you guys can think of the box and create your own characters from your own eyes and nose and mouth. This is just like a little cutout that I want you to experiment. 2 different eyes. As you can see, they're more tilting over to the right a little bit more. You're going to see more of that ear and less of the other side. The left ear you're going to see more than the right. A little nose, the mouth, there's a little grin, teeth showing. This is just a sketch again, just to give you some ideas and thoughts. All right, there's the ear. You're going to see more in there. The crosshair, again, helps guide you where you're going to be putting these elements of the face. This could have been a tall bunny, okay, with a big ears or whatever. All right, so let's start with another one. Okay, here's a basic shape again. I'm working on a circle. And now I'm going to give a big jaw, okay, hard jaw. There's the head over there. Let's get that crosshairs in there. Let's get the shoulders first. There we go. Here's the crosshairs. Okay, let's get the eyes in there. All right. There's one. Okay, there's the other one. Getting the eyebrow. One is a little bit larger than the other. 2 reasons. That could be the type of an expression, or it could be the way the angle of the head's actually turning. You're going to see a little less of the one further away. That's what we call perspective. And sometimes people make them the same and can lose that characteristic. You got to have that dimension. And a little smile, and there's the ear, bottom lip. There we go. Teeth showing again on this one. So this shape head, you can easily turn it into a lot of different things. This could be a big guy with a bald head. I can see you can add a beard on him, mustache. Could be a Viking. Or the shape of this has a good structure for an animal, even like a lion or a tiger or even a bear. Oh my. All right, there you go. A little good. That looks good. All right, and here's the last one. This one is going to be, let's see, once again, starting off with that circle. There we go. Okay, now I have the jaw. This is almost basically our typical head structure that we have currently right now. There's the neck. I'm just making a big collar for a shirt. There's the crosshair. There's working on that one eye again right there, and working on the next one to follow that one. There we go. The second one is done. And there's the nose, simple and small. There's some fun little smile on the mouth. And a simple ear. This is just a very simple character. No more, no less. All 4 of them. Very rough sketch. There's the eyebrow. This could be even a robot, like an android, easily. And you can put the body in different shapes as well. All right. That's looking good. All right, so let's go over all 4 of them once again. All right, so here's the first one. He's basically like a square head, robot or so forth. Easy. Now the next one is like a peanut head. Got 2 circles on the top and on the bottom. And then the next one, a big jaw guy. So he has a little head, little brain, big jaw. And then the last but not least is just a typical head that we might consider nowadays. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.